Unbelievable. Monster, get ready. You are about to embark on a breathtaking journey where giant steel machines must fight against the mud and harsh nature to the utmost. What an exhilarating experience it was to drive the massive military ZL-131. The engine roared like thunder. The huge wheels plowed through deep mud, spraying up water. Every jolt was a challenge, every turn a battle with the terrain. The feeling was both wild and captivating. In the middle of the flooded mud, a tractor was stuck almost completely submerged. Only the cabin was visible. The rescue team rushed to the scene, attached a cable, and pulled with all their might, the engine roaring. Mud splashed everywhere. Each meter moved was a tense effort. In the freezing cold weather of Nagarnaya, two tractors DT-75 and MTZ slowly passed the slippery snow-melted road. The tracks crunched into the snow-mixed mud, water splashed everywhere, the engines roared in the quiet space. Every meter of the road was a challenge. Each slight slip made the driver's heart pound with excitement and tension.
Давай, давай, давай!
Leave a like and follow so you don't miss the next dramatic journey. The scene became breathtaking as the Ural plunged into a fierce battle with nature. The mud was deep, the wheels were spinning, the engine roared in despair. The mighty vehicle was gradually swallowed by the mud. White smoke billowed into the sky. Who do you think will win against man or nature? Oh no, the tractor lost control, skidded dangerously, and almost fell straight into the sewer. The heart-stopping moment made everyone who witnessed it hold their breath. What if you are an inexperienced driver?
Эх, падла, хочет.
In the midst of the dramatic moment, the MTZ-82 roller stopped at the edge of the ditch, its wheels spinning in the mud without moving an inch. The engine roared helplessly, white smoke billowed out, obscuring the view. The scene was both pitiful and tense, as if the machine was desperately waiting for help. A dramatic moment in the field, a brave tractor driver tries to turn the T-40 upside down with the giant plow blade. The engine roars, the wheels spin in the mud, white smoke billows. Finally, the heavy tractor tilts and flips onto the ground, creating a scene that is both tense and breathtaking, leaving everyone speechless. In a tense moment, the skilled operator shows great courage as he tries to pull the heavy Cat D6 in out of the fast-flowing fleet. The engine roars, the chain slides on the mud. Each throttle is a battle between power and nature. Finally, the machine inches forward, overcoming the obstacle in a spectacular way. Like if you admire this amazing skill. The tractor driver was struggling with the challenging muddy terrain. The wheels were skidding, mud was flying, the engine was roaring in an effort to escape. Every throttle was a battle between man and nature. It was breathtaking to see the DAF CF85 Part 2 roaring down the muddy slope, trying to pull a truck loaded with tons of heavy timber. The wheels spun, mud splashed, the engine roared loudly, filling the air. Every meter was a tense battle between power and gravity. In a wet and challenging scene, the giant MTZ-1221 suddenly got stuck in a deep swamp. The wheels spun helplessly, the engine roared violently, white smoke billowed. Mud flew everywhere as the driver tried to regain control. A dramatic fight between steel and nature. Plowing the vegetable garden in 2021 is truly a feast for the eyes. The MTZ-892 works in conjunction with the PLN 3-35 plow, cutting deep and even furrows. The engine roars, the soil is thrown up in the morning sunlight, and the smell of new soil fills the air. Power and precision blend perfectly. In the middle of a muddy field, two heavy machines, Case and JCB Fast Track, struggled in the deep mud. The engines roared, the wheels spun, kicking up mud everywhere, but the vehicles still sank. The scene was both dramatic and showed the indomitable power of machines in the face of nature.
Yay!
On a slippery dirt road in Odessa, a tractor and a gazelle suddenly collided and overturned. Metal clashed with each other, creating a deafening sound and dust flying everywhere. The chaotic scene left everyone who witnessed it stunned by the power and fragility of the moment. Despite its powerful engine and powerful roar, the Tubo was helpless in the face of a dangerous bomb crater. The wheels slid, mud flew everywhere, and the engine roared in despair. Steel hit the ground, smoke billowed into the air, a dramatic scene that showed the limits of mechanical power. In the middle of a freezing construction site, a bulldozer was diligently leveling the ice when suddenly the ice beneath it collapsed. The body of the vehicle tilted violently, the track slid, the engine roared in despair. The ice shattered and cold water splashed everywhere, creating a chaotic and dangerous scene. The giant bulldozer was stuck, its tracks stuck in the mud, unable to move. The rescue team used an excavator to rescue it, but the ground suddenly collapsed, causing everything to shake. Both machines shook violently, almost flipping over in the mud. The scene was breathtaking, like a disaster was about to strike. The ZL-131 tractor was driven powerfully across the vast field, pushing the soil into thick, heavy furrows. The engine roared, the wheels plowed deep into the moist ground, kicking dust and soil into the air. The feeling of driving was strong and exciting, like touching the vitality of the earth and sky. In the chaotic scene of the evacuation, the UAZ was stuck in the deep mud, its wheels spinning but still motionless. In the hazy smoke and the roar of the engine, the tractor rushed forward, hooked up the rope, and pulled hard. Little by little, the UAZ gradually emerged from the mud, but suddenly the tractor lost its balance and overturned in a dramatic moment that stunned everyone. Oh no, a freak accident happened when the bulldozer got stuck in mud nearly 5 feet deep. The rescue effort started with hiring an excavator to help, but ironically, it got stuck soon after. The engine roared, mud flew. The scene was chaotic and breathtaking. Like if you also found this dramatic moment. In the thick mud, the MTZ-82 was stuck so deep that it was almost immovable. The engine roared, the wheels spun desperately. Immediately, we deployed the cable and started pulling. Meter after meter passed slowly, mud splashed everywhere, white smoke filled the air. Finally, the tractor inched out of the mud, an exciting victory. It was an unimaginable sight. The driver was trying his best to pull the Belarus, which was stuck deep in the mud, with another tractor. The engine roared, the cable was taut as if it was about to snap, and mud was flying everywhere. The two machines struggled between power and terrain, creating a dramatic scene. Have you ever witnessed a rescue in the middle of a muddy forest? In the middle of a logging site filled with mud and water, a tiger cat tree cutter suddenly got stuck in a deep swamp, the saw still spinning helplessly. Mud splashed everywhere, the engine roared loudly. Immediately, a Cat D6N bulldozer rushed in, using its strength to pull the tiger cat out. In Gerendorf in 2017, the scene became electric as the two legendary machines, the Ural and the K700A, appeared together on the vast field. Engines roared, white smoke billowed, and giant tires crushed the soft soil. The Ural pulled hard. The K700A responded with a huge thrust. The two created a powerful mechanical symphony.